Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. I would like to start off by saying thank you to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Now let's continue with the show. Today we've got a clean one on the turntable. This is the 1987 Buick Grand National, and right away this thing stands out with that all-black paint and bold racing livery, definitely giving off that street muscle, race-inspired look. As this Grand National starts spinning on the turntable, you can really take in how aggressive this car looks. That low stance paired with those deep black wheels gives it that planted, ready-to-run feel. The number 7 on the side pops perfectly against the black, white, and red striping, and the Buick Racing branding just ties the whole theme together. This is one of those castings that just looks good from every angle. Taking a closer look at the front, you've got that classic Grand National grille design with the rectangular headlights, keeping that true-to-era look. The blacked-out finish gives it that stealthy, no-nonsense attitude. Moving along the sides, the livery really shines here. The striping flows clean from front to back, and the number 7 is bold and centered, giving it that race car feel. The wheels are a nice touch too. Deep dish style, all black, and they sit perfectly tucked under the fenders. Around the back, you've got clean taillight detailing and even an opening trunk, which adds a little extra to the overall display. Now let's pop the hood and check out what's under there. You've got a nicely detailed engine setup that fits the Grand National's turbocharged reputation. It's not overdone, but it gives you enough detail to make it feel real and adds to that street performance look. Both doors open up smoothly, letting you really see into that interior. Those little features go a long way when you're displaying a piece like this. You've got a clean black interior setup. You can see the bucket seats, steering wheel, center console, and even the gauge cluster detail on the dash. It keeps that simple, factory-style look, which honestly fits this car perfectly. Nothing flashy, just that classic muscle car interior. Overall, this 1987 Buick Grand National is a solid addition to any collection. It's got that perfect mix of classic muscle, racing style, and clean detail all the way around. So that's all we have for today, folks. But stay tuned for next time we'll be showing you this 1985 Chevrolet Camaro from Jada's BigTime Muscle. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, go on and cruise to our other cool videos right here on Diecast Speedway, where we do all the unboxing so that you don't have to. Whether it's classic muscle, modern rides, or something in between, we've got you covered. So until next time, keep die casting and God bless.